In this video, we will learn how to search within the folder in Google Drive. So let's start. This is my Google Drive. I have already have some file and folder. So let's see how it search. Normally search in here, search in Drive, you just enter the PDF. You search here the all PDF, okay? And if you enter the Excel file, here you see all Excel files show here. But if you want to search in a particular folder, just click on the folder. I want to search on the particular folder data. So I right click of the mouse, and in folder information here you see the search within my data. Search within my data is a folder name, therefore is showing the my data. If folder name is a difference, here you see the search within the dash dash folder name. Okay, just click on it, and here you see the my data folder is open. This data available in my data. Here you search the PDF. When you click on the PDF, only these PDF search which are available in my data folder, not other folder available PDF. So if you want to search, now I search here the just data. I just enter it, and here you see only two data file is showing here. Those are available in my data folder. Okay, if you want to check in home file, just click on the home and enter the same here data, and here you see there are so many files search here. So this is a way you can search the data in particular folder in Google Drive. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.